Hi, I'm Ethan Tang. I'm an Interactive Arts and Technology student at SFU, and today I'll be explaining what I learned during Introduction to 3D Printing and Laser Scanning Technologies. Hope you enjoy! During this course, we learned how to 3D print various models. We worked with 3D models, which is a computer-generated graphic model. There are different ways to make 3D models, like using software such as Maya or Blender. In these softwares, you would manipulate an object by stretching, cutting, expanding, or shrinking parts. And there are many different tools that you can use to make a digital model or whatever object you want. The next part is using a 3D printer to print this model. Basically, a third-party software is needed to convert a 3D model into a file that the printer can understand. In this class we use Cura. Cura divides or slices this digital model into layers, because a printer prints an object in layers, kind of like an onion. The printer in the library, Ultimaker, prints the model starting from the bottom and works its way up. Here are some models that I created at TEKX. The objects that I printed are a figure, a badge, and a cat, which is able to hold my phone. Another method of creating 3D models is called photogrammetry, which is a scanning or photo technique that uses pictures to create a 3D model. So how exactly does photogrammetry work? Different softwares may have slightly different methods, but most follow the same concept. They take photos of the objects from all possible angles, compile those photos, and create a 3D model of that object. Imagine a cube. For a computer to understand the cube, they would need to see all sides and angles of that cube, which includes the top view, bottom view, 4 side views, and the corners. When the software has all that information, it can then assemble those views and create a 3D image of that object. There are 2 softwares that were available for us to use in this class, which were Recap Photo and Zephyr. The software I used for this assignment was called Recap Photo. Creating this model was actually a really simple process. First, it required me to take 50 photos of an object. I used a book, placed it on the ground, and took 50 photos of the book from all angles. Once I was satisfied with my photos, I uploaded them to Recap Photo, and then clicked Create. The software automatically created a 3D model for me, and this is the result. The result was a neat 3D computer-generated model. The resolution looks as clear as the photos that I took, which makes sense since the model was created with my photos. I didn't expect the 3D model to include so much of the surrounding environment. It captured some furniture and background objects. But overall, I'm impressed by how easily Recap Photo can create a 3D model with just 50 photos. And I really enjoyed learning about photogrammetry. I hope you all enjoyed learning too. Thanks for watching this video.